In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a map on Google Sites quickly and easily. Whether you're building a website for personal use or for your business, embedding a map can be a fantastic way to indicate location or point out significant landmarks related to your content. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by navigating to Google Sites. If you're unfamiliar with this tool, it's a part of the Google Workspace suite that allows you to create web pages effortlessly. Simply go to your web browser and search for Google Sites. Once you've done that, you'll see a link to Google Sites appear at the top of your search results. Click on that link to access the platform. Now that you're on the Google Sites homepage, the next step is to select the site you wish to edit. If you've already created sites before, you'll see a list of them here. If not, you might want to create a new one for practice. Find the site you want to work on and click on it. This will open up your site in edit mode. With your site open, focus on the right-hand menu where you'll find the Insert option. This area contains various elements you can add to your page, such as text boxes, images, and more. Click on Insert, and it will present you with multiple add-on options that can enhance the functionality and appearance of your page. Scroll through this Insert menu until you spot the option labeled Maps. If you're familiar with Google Tools, you'll recognize this as the typical map feature seen in other Google applications. Click on Maps to proceed to the next step. You'll now be in a section that allows you to utilize the Google Maps interface directly. In the search box that appears, type the address or location you want to depict on your site. This could be your business's physical location, an area of interest, or any relevant place you wish to highlight on your website. Make sure the map accurately reflects the spot you're interested in. After typing the address, hit Enter, and the map will display this location. You can zoom in or out to adjust the view to your preference. When you're satisfied with how it looks, look towards the right-hand side. There, you'll find the Select button. Clicking this will finalize your choice, and the map will then be embedded into your site. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a Google map into your Google site. It's a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your web page's practicality and aesthetics. The map will be interactive, providing users with an easy way to understand your site's physical context. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more ways to customize your Google Sites for future projects.